Hey everyone, welcome to Designs and Creativity, where designs meets creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to bring your designs to life using animations in Figma. So first of all, we're going to click on our frame and then we hold our Shift plus Alt and drag to create a perfect square. And then we go to click on corner radius and type in either 500 or 1000, or from 500 up to get a perfect circle. And now we'll click on ellipse. Hold your Shift plus Alt and drag to make a perfect ellipse. And then you're going to see a dot in the ellipse, and then you drag it down a bit. As you drag it down a bit, you're going to see a dot in the center. You're going to drag it inner to make this perfect shape now. And then you click on the one outer to make your circle more wider or more opened. And then we are going to click on a rectangle tool, and then we drag, and then we make it to the size you want to make it slimmer. Now you make your circle or your ellipse, you turn it, let the open side face upwards, and then you bring your rectangle and place it at the center of your ellipse. Now you highlight both of them and give them the color, the fill color of black, which is 0000. You can see I just put 40 instead of 50. Now I'm adjusting my rectangle to fit. Then I highlight all of them, the both of them. It's given power button, and then I reduce the size. Now I take it and place it at the center of my frame, a circled frame. Now I use my pen tool to create a wave. Ensure that after this that your pen tool, the end of your pen tool should point to the beginning of your pen tool, and then I use my curve tool to curve each point, and then I use the adjustment tool to adjust them so that all of them will be at the same level. Now I off it. Now I remove the stroke from it, and then put fill, which I used gradient. I used purplish pink and something like lemon green. And here I duplicate it, which is Ctrl D. Now I right click and go down and click on flip horizontally. Now I put the both of them together and make them to align in center. Now highlight the both of them and fix them into this frame, the circle frame. Now I drag them up so that the both of them will cover the whole circle frame. Now go to your layer side, click on the rectangle and the ellipse tool, right click and click on bring to front. Now you click on vector 2, drag your vector 2 to the left hand side of your frame, close to towards the bottom. And now you click on your vector 1 and then drag it to the right hand side towards the bottom of the frame. Duplicate the frame and you get this. Now you open your frame 2 and click on vector 2. Drag it towards the right hand side of your frame for it to cover it. And then you click on vector 1 and then drag it towards the left hand side of your frame for it to cover it entirely. Now you click on your 2 frames and click on create component set, and this will come out. And then you click on your first frame, go and click on prototype. This will come out, and then you drag the for the delay, click on 1 milliseconds. For animation, click on smart animation. For curve, click on linear. For duration, click on 2000. And then you go out. And then we click on frame and you click on any kind of frame that you want. And then you go to assets. Then you're going to see it and then you carry it and drag to the frame. And now you click on that frame and then you click on, when you go there, you're going to see present or preview. You're going to click on preview. Now here is your design. Your animation is ready. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.